ಅಗತ್ಯ ಸಾಮಗ್ರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿ ಉಳಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಮುಂಗಟ್ಟುಗಳನ್ನು ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ. ಇದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಪ್ರಕಟಣೆ. ಅಗತ್ಯ ಸಾಮಗ್ರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿ ಉಳಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಮುಂಗಟ್ಟುಗಳನ್ನು ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ. ಹಲೋ, ಇದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಪುರಸಭಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಪ್ರಕಟಣೆ. ಅಗತ್ಯ ಸಾಮಗ್ರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿ ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಮುಂಗಟ್ಟುಗಳನ್ನು ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ. ಹಲೋ, ಇದು ಬರ್ಕಲ್ ಪುರಸಭಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಪ್ರಕಟಣೆ. ಅಗತ್ಯ ಸಾಮಗ್ರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿ ಉಳಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಮುಂಗಟ್ಟುಗಳನ್ನು ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ.
We have a new clarification order which we have received from the government dated 22/4/2021, which prior to three days prior when the press meet was held, whatever the clarifications or the orders given will hold good. Only thing is now we have the clarification for whichever shops to be open or whichever to be closed even during the daytime when night curfew or weekend curfew is not in place. That is, in the daytime, in the weekdays, only essential shops are supposed to be open. Other than what I say now should be closed. What will be open is we have PDS shops, kirane shops, then fruits, vegetables, dairy products, and then meat and fish. Only these related shops to be open, and then we have retail shops for vegetables, fruits and flowers. So but everybody has to be following the COVID appropriate behavior. And then we have restaurants and hotels been open, but only with the parcel service given. They should not go there and take the service. And then we have lodging facilities available, but only restricting it for guests. Then we have bars and restaurants, everything closed, but only with a takeaway option given. And then we have warehousing, all food processing related shops to be open. Banks, ATM cards and insurances offices will be open. E-commerce related services will be in place. Printing and electronic press is allowed. Then for national security and any other related agencies will operate as such. So, and the private security services whichever will be given, that is also is there. And saloon, beauty parlors, cutting shops, barber shops, they are also allowed, but only with a COVID appropriate behavior. It's not that many people will crowd and go and avail these services. So all these are the shops which I have told will be allowed in the daytime. Other than these shops, for example, jewelry, clothing, footwear, etc., whichever is not being told in the above criteria has to be closed even in the daytime. Now there is a strict enforcement of sector teams which have been made. So there is a very clear-cut restriction of the movement of the people. So you have to stop all the restrictions other than the very genuine long-distance travels or with the people who have been allowed according to the government's COVID guidelines through a proper channel with the proper documents submitted with the police and with the administration. Only they are allowed, not for unnecessary movement will be completely restricted. So a kind submission to all the public through this channel is that please don't have any confusions through any other thing. This is a government circular. Please adhere to all the laws which have been told by the administration, and please cooperate to the police department or other sector officers which are functioning in our Bhatkal.